Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send notifications to your users when the app is closed, which is called as push notification using OneSignal. So OneSignal is providing this service for free, so no worries. So click on installing and copy the dependency. You have to start a new Flutter project and go to the pubspec YAML file and paste the dependency here. Below the Cupertino icons. Paste it here and click on PubGet to download the library. The library is downloaded. Now you have to go to the OneSignal console. Now you have to create an account in this OneSignal. After creating an account in this, you will be able to see this page, so that you can enter your app name here and click on Google Android. For time being, I am showing the Android configuration only. Once you understood this, you will be able to follow the documentation for the iOS configuration also. The documentation is available here. Readme. See, setup guide is here. You can follow this configuration for iOS also. Both the iOS and Android is provided here. Everything is here. So let's click on Google Android. Next, configure platform. Now you have to enter the Firebase server key. Actually, we are using OneSignal, which is an alternative to Firebase push notification. But anyway, we have to depend on the Firebase for the server key. So you have to go to the firebase.google.com and create an account in this. After that, you will be able to add a project. So click on add project and enter any name. Continue. Select the account, default account, create project. Yes, now our project is ready. Click continue. Go to the project settings and click on cloud messaging. Copy the server key, paste it here. Copy the sender ID also, paste it here. Click on next. Select native Android. Click next. Now in order to complete this setup, you have to initialize this app ID from the app. So you have to copy this and go to your project. Let's remove the unwanted code. Let's remove the floating action button, text, and instead of this text, you can add a variable here for showing the output. Now let's override the init method. Create the init OneSignal method. Here you have to initialize that ID. So for that, Let's import the library. Let's paste that ID here. Copy this one and paste it here. That's it. Now let's stop and restart the application. Now our app is restarted. Let's go to the console. See, we got the congratulations message here. In your case, if something went wrong, you can just run the Flutter clean command and restart the app, restart the emulator, etc. And let's have the application. Now click on your project. Click on new push for sending the push notifications. So before this, we forgot to add one thing. We just initialized only. We have to add some listener here in the init OneSignal method. Let's add the focus display type here. Now we have different types of handlers like notification received handler and notification open handler, like that. So for listening to the notification, we have to add one handler. So go to example. Let's search for the notification received handler. See this one, notification received handler. Copy this and paste it here. Let's assign this to our output text. Now we have to add one more handler for handling the click on the notification tray. So for that, this one set notification open handler is used to copy this one and paste it here. So let's remove this for now and print clicked on try. Now let's run the app again. Let's send the notification. Add the test users first. Click on the options and add to test users. You can give any name here. I am giving test user and click on add. That's it. Now go to this page and refresh. See, that's it. Now select the user and let's send the notification. See, we got the data here. See, and you can see the notification here. Also, let's check by closing the app. Close this one. Now you can see no any apps here. So let's send the notification once again. send. See, the notification came here. That's it. Now I will show you how to send the notification from Postman using API. So go to Postman and change the method to post. This is the URL for sending notification. Click on body, click on row, select JSON and write down the JSON data. So you can all the APIs is available in the OneSignal website, so you can refer that also. And you have to paste your app ID here. Go to the project and copy the ID. You can give the message, test message from Postman, anything you can give. And you have to you need the REST API key for sending notification. Click on headers. You have to authorize. So select authorization. Before the key you have to and type basic space the key. That's it. Now let's check whether the notification is working or not. Click on send. See, the notification is the test message from Postman. Let's clear this one. Click on send. See, came again. That's it. Now the problem is push notification will not work when the app is closed in some models of Vivo, Oppo, OnePlus, etc. The same problem persists with the Firebase push notification also. So what we can do is the user should manually add auto start permission by going to the permission management or power management settings on the phone. It depends on the device where this option is available. This auto start option is available, depends on the device. So that's not practical, right? The user going to the settings and enabling auto start, it is not practical, right? So actually the problem here is we are not having a common code to ask auto start permission for all devices, because taking this permission differs from one manufacturer to the other manufacturer. The popular apps like WhatsApp, LinkedIn, etc. are already whitelisted by the manufacturer itself, so they don't have such issue. So what we can do, fortunately we are having a library which will ask the auto start permission for a list of devices. So we are having that library here, AutoStart. You can Google this. AutoStart is the library which will ask for permission for such devices. Actually this library use another a native Android library. You can follow the steps to asking for permission. See, is auto start permission available? If not available, if available, ask for get auto start permission. So you can follow the steps for asking the permission. So like I told, this Flutter library uses an Android native library actually. So let's check that also. So this AutoStart library, Android native library, is used in the Flutter library also. See here, few devices are listed. So this will ask the AutoStart permission from this much devices. This library help us for that. So you don't need to worry about this one. This library we are having the Flutter library itself. So you can use this one only for asking permission. So you can solve such issue. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.